Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all guys? Hope you all are doing good and feeling happy today. So guys, in today's video, we are going to discuss about something very special. We are going to discuss about something very simple. And this video is perfect for beginners. You don't need difficult grammar. You don't need to worry about grammar rules. You don't need to worry about complicated sentences. You don't need to worry about pronunciation skills. It's nothing like that. Just leave it. Because in this video, I will explain everything in an easy way, in a very simple way, and which is very helpful for beginners and learners who really want to learn English and who really want to speak their English. So guys, if you are also learning English, then this video is perfect for you. You just need to listen carefully and practice with me. That's it. So guys, in today's video, we are going to discuss about very simple and very easy sentences which you can use in your daily life. With the help of those sentences, you can start your English learning journey from very basic level, And you know what, guys? You can use these sentences anywhere and any times. You can use these sentences in your communication skills. And you don't need to worry about mistakes, because mistakes are part of our learning journey, as I told you. And you don't need to learn everything overnight. You don't need to learn everything at once. Just start with basic and simple sentences. And in this video, we are going to start something very basic and very easy sentences. We are going to start from very basic level, so beginners can also understand this video. So guys, overall, I just want to say that before starting this video is going to be very special and very useful and very helpful for beginners. So guys, please watch this video till the end and let's begin our learning journey together. Guys, learning English is not that much difficult as we think. Learning English is not difficult at all. You know what? Some people just make it difficult. Some people just make it complicated, but it's not that much complicated in real life. You know what? The truth is different. The truth is, you just need practice and consistency to learn English, to speak English confidently, to learn English faster. You just need practice and consistency, that's it. And you know what, guys? You don't need to learn too much words at once. You can start with basic and easy sentences. If you're a beginner, then you can learn, as I told you in many times and in many videos, that you can learn 5 to 10 sentences every day. According to you. If you want to learn just 5 sentences every day, then that's okay. Because there is no pressure at all. And guys, one more thing, you don't need words are not enough. You need sentences. You need proper sentence structure to express yourself, to express your thoughts in English, to communicate with others. So you need to learn a proper sentence format. You need to learn a proper sentence to speak English confidently in front of others. And guys, don't think too much before speaking English. It's the biggest mistake. You know what? We start overthinking it. What we going to say? What if we make some? What if we will make some mistakes, while speaking English? What if we say something wrong? What if people laugh at us, What if they laugh at our English? These kinds of stuff. So don't think about these kinds of things while speaking English. Just speak naturally and just speak confidently. And you know what, guys? This will build your confidence. This will build your confidence level. And it makes this sounds like, if you speak English confidently and naturally, without any hesitation, without any fear, without any nervousness, it sounds more natural. And guys, there's a lot of air today, so my hair's little, sorry, so just find it. And guys, practice is the most important thing. You should practice every day. You should practice every day. Even for 10 minutes or 10 to 15 or 20 minutes. It depends on your timetable. You can practice according to you. According to your timetable. But don't break your consistency and never stop practicing. You have to practice every day. Don't skip even a single day. Because consistency matters more than perfection. Consistency matters more than timetable. And guys, always start with easy and basic sentences. Always start with simple sentences. Don't try to use complicated words to impress others. to make your English fluent. It's nothing like that. Just start with easy and basic sentences. And guys, you can watch many English videos. You can watch many English contents on YouTube which can help you to improve your English. You can also use ChatGPT, as I told you many times, because if you ask ChatGPT that ChatGPT, can you please give me some easy and basic sentences to improve my English? And then after that, ChatGPT will give you a lots of sentences. And you can also note down these sentences. And you can learn those sentences. You can repeat those sentences in your daily routine, in your daily life. Try to speak those sentences with your friends, with your family members. And you can also talk to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will help you to improve your English. ChatGPT find out your mistakes, and you can improve those mistakes and move forward. That's it. And you can listen English shorts videos, and English. You can also listen fast videos. And there are many more things which you can listen in English to improve your English skills, to improve your pronunciation skills. And guys, like whenever you listen something in English, like you have to repeat those sentences. You know what? Which I'm telling you, shadowing practice. You know what's shadowing practice? Shadowing practice is something like that. Like when you listen English videos, when you listen something in English, you have to repeat those sentences after the speaker. You can repeat that sentence again and again. But you just have listened, because this improves your pronunciation skills. This improves your sentence structure. Try to copy their reactions. Try to copy their tone. Like how they are speaking English naturally. And like whenever I listen something in English, I always try to speak like them. I always try to copy their reactions. I always try to copy their tones in English. So you can also try this. I was like, I should also do this, I can also speak English like them. I should also try this. And I actually tried yesterday that thing. And shadowing practice will help you a lot to improve your English. And you can start your day with English. Like you can start your day with basic English, as I told you, because simple English is always better than difficult English. For example, you can start your day with English like I woke up early in the morning. You can also say that I woke up late in the morning. And after that, you can say that I brush my teeth, and then I go for yoga. Then I eat my breakfast. Then I eat my brekkie. Brekkie is the short form of breakfast. So you also use that word instead of breakfast. After that I go to the college, and after that I go to the school. Like whenever you and you can also say that today I'm feeling great, today I'm feeling good, and today I'm going to learn many more new things. Today I'm going to improve my English a lot. Today I will learn many new words in English. Today I will try to improve myself. I will try to improve my English. And you should also say these kinds of things. Like when you woke up, you should also start your day with these kinds of thoughts. These kinds of positive thoughts, because positivity is also important. Stay positive. And guys, you can also practice alone at home. Say what are you doing right now. And you know what, guys, many students are also saying that they don't have any partner to improve their English. So guys, the answer is very simple, that as I told you, that you don't need any partner to improve your English. You don't need any partner to improve your English, You can improve by yourself. You can talk to yourself. Say, what are you doing right now? For example, and yes, one more thing, guys. Sorry for that. But some students are also saying that I should speak a little bit Hindi, so everyone can understand me clearly or easily. So beginners can also understand me. So from now on, I'm going to speak a little bit Hindi also. Okay. So what I was saying right now. Yes, I was saying that yes, you can say what are you doing right now. For example, when you are eating something, you can say that I am eating food. It means मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ. And you can use this sentence when you are eating something. For example, I am eating mango. It means मैं आम खा रहा हूँ. I am eating fruits. मैं फल खा रहा हूँ. Okay. And I am completing my homework. मैं अपना homework complete कर रहा हूँ. I am running. मैं दौड़ रहा हूँ. I am walking. And like I am watching TV. I am watching movies. I am watching dramas. And there are many easy sentences, guys. There are many simple and easy sentences which you can use in your daily life, which you can use in your daily routine. For example, I have also learned many more new sentences in these days. For example, like why am I feeling so drowsy? Can you stop being lovey-dovey? And I was just big holy. Like these kinds of simple sentences which I have learned in these days. And I can't recalling that right now, but I have learned many more new sentences in these days. And I will show you someday. I will show you these sentences. And if you also want to learn these sentences which I have learned. Sorry guys, the clip got cut. I don't know why. So I'm going to start again. Okay. So what I was saying is that yes, if you also want to learn those sentences which I have learned, then I can teach you those sentences. So if you want to learn those sentences, let me know in the comment section. And guys, always stay positive. Don't feel demotivated because learning takes time. And you are improving day by day. You are improving your English day by day. Just believe in yourself and keep learning. And guys, like whenever you learn whenever you learn new word, whenever you learn new sentence, write down those sentences in your notebook and revise them again and again. Repeat those sentences again and again, and try to use those sentences in your daily routine, like in your daily life while doing anything. Because you can repeat those sentences like while doing anything, like while walking, cooking, and like while thinking, while standing, and anything, whatever you like. And especially you can revise those sentences especially before sleeping, because this is also very helpful. Try to repeat those sentences in your mind, that what you have learned today. Okay, because repetition is also most important. This helps you to remember those sentences for a long time. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found this video helpful. I don't know what I'm saying. So guys, thank you so much. Hope you found this video helpful, and if you really like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment for more videos. And don't wait for perfection, don't wait for perfect time, just start from today. And guys, you have got this because I trust you. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video till that, and I hope you will follow my advice. And if you have any suggestion, if you have any advice, and if you have any question for me, for related to this channel, then you can tell me in the comment section. So guys, thank you so much for your love and support, and especially thank you so much for lovely and beautiful comments. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye everyone.